This is the elevator at one of the entrances at the Nash Library and something Student Learning Center at Gannon University in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's a Garaventa Elvoron elevator that goes the length of those stairs. And it's interesting they installed a full-on Lula instead of wheelchairs. There's another one of these at the other entrance on the other side. It's a pretty new elevator. It does work. The indicator says 1, but we're on L. Oh, the indicator is 1 and 2. It's wrong. Okay, I see how it is. Creaky. Here, 1. That is very loud. Go back down to L. I do like how door close works. So that's the main elevator, which was Dover modded by Otis with innovation. Then there's another one of these on the other side. But there's a cleaning lady at that one right now, so I'm not doing that one right now. It's a basic light Faker grain cab. Laminated force. Annoying loud. This is a very loud chime elevator. 30 feet a minute, just like any of the Lulas, but at least it isn't too far here by L. Bicycle racks, that's interesting for a library. No closets, and that's going to be it.